This we're asked to determine if each function is even, odd, or neither. Now a reminder, even functions, we know that they're even if we flip them over the y-axis and it still looks like the same graph. For odd, we're rotating it 180 degrees around the origin, and if it looks the same after that, then yes, it's an odd. So for A here, I know that if I were to flip these over the y-axis, it would flip over and it would look completely different because there would be, this hump that is in the positive values of the y would then flip over to the right side here, so it would look different. We know it's not even. But when we're looking for odd, well, remember, if we took this hump right here and we flipped it 90 degrees, it looks something like this. If we flipped it 180 degrees, well, then it would actually land right on top of this one here. Same idea with this bottom hump. If we flip that 180 degrees, it would land right on top of the top left piece right here. So if we flip this 180 degrees around the origin, it would be the same. So that tells me that this function is odd. Now with B here, I see that if I flip it over the y-axis, it's going to land right on top of itself. So in this case here, I already know that this one here is even. If I rotated it 180 degrees, it would be upside down, so I know it would look different. This one here, if I flip it over the y-axis, again, that's not going to look the same because it's going to give me something that looks like that on the top right there. If I rotated it 180 degrees, well then this little hump right here would land right here, and the big one would be down here. Let me give that a different color to make it a little bit easier to see. So the little one would look like that, and the big one here would look like this. So it would definitely look different than our original, so I'm going to say that it's neither.